Hi friends, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the display comparison between the OnePlus 8T versus the POCO X3 smartphone. So both phones they do have the different kind of price range segments, whereas the POCO X3 is of mid-range segment and the OnePlus 8T is kind of a premium end smartphone from the OnePlus device, so which has been recently launched. The reason why I'm doing this kind of comparison is because 120 Hz fluid AMOLED panel which is present in the OnePlus 80 device and the POCO X3 has same kind of 120 Hz but a different panel which is the IPS LCD panel. So in this video I'll be trying to compare both phone screens side by side by playing the same video in both the phones, and the POCO X3 has the so much of a software advantage. So in this video I'll be using all those kind of tricks in the POCO X3 device and I'll try to compare with the premium end smartphone. So in terms of full brightness, low brightness and medium brightness, and with studio lighting effects and without studio lighting effects as well. So stay tuned for a complete video friends, so that you will get to know more details about both the smartphones as well. And in case if you want to know what wallpapers I'm using in both of the smartphones, so try to check the links in description for the details. So all the links will be available in the description below. So let me try to show you the display properties quickly on both the phones. So you'll get to know of what screen size both phones they are using. So OnePlus 8T is using the 6.55 inches screen size and the POCO X3 has a 6.67 inches screen size, you can see here. So as I said, the OnePlus 8T has a fluid AMOLED panel display and the POCO X3 has a LCD IPS panel display, and the same kind of ratio and the same kind of resolution, and pixel density is slightly higher in the OnePlus 8T device, you can see here. And the refresh rate 120 Hz, same kind of refresh rate, and 240 Hz touch sampling rate, and the brightness is of 1000 nits. So whereas the POCO X3 has I think close to 450 brightness, so that is the POCO X3 brightness, and the HDR10 plus. So and HDR10 only certified in the POCO X3 device, and DCI P3 color gamut as well present, which is very good, and Gorilla Glass 5 protection as well. So this is a quick comparison between the specifications of the display. So now let's begin the display comparison. So it is a display comparison between both of the smartphones friends, OnePlus 8T and the POCO X3 device. So right now I'm playing the same video in both the smartphones with full brightness mode. As you can clearly see, full brightness friends. And right now if you notice, the brightness in the OnePlus 8T is slightly higher than the POCO X3 device. So you can clearly see the difference when you are if you change the viewing angles of both the smartphones. So as you can see, the brightness is full in the POCO X3 device. So the 1000 nits brightness is helping a lot in the OnePlus 8T device in terms of the brightness of the video as well. So even while playing the video also, you can clearly see the difference between both the smartphones. Even the screen size also very small in the OnePlus 8T device. So let me try to compare side by side. So you can see the difference, how much small it is. The bezels are very slim in the OnePlus 8T and very less weight as well. So considering the mid-range segment mobile phone, the POCO X3 is doing its best job. So there is no complaints regarding the POCO X3 device, but this is just a comparison friends. So this is with the viewing angles of both the phones. So when you change the angle, you can see the difference between both of the smartphones. So but right now I'm using the normal mode. So there is another hidden trick, as I said, you can use in the POCO X3 device. So let me try to enable to the maximum and try to compare slowly. You will see the difference slightly. So you can see the difference, and this is a maximum. So this is a maximum brightness I'm using with a full trick with the enhanced visual options which is present here right now. So let me try to start the same video from the beginning, so maybe you might be able to notice the difference. So just try to observe the colors friends. So now let me try to change the colors to the normal. So this is a normal and slightly saturated, and this is a bright, and this is a saturated and brightness. So this is how you can increase the colors, but even though if you do that, the brightness is not that much compared with the OnePlus 8T device, but I can see the difference as well in terms of the quality of the videos got improved in the POCO X3. So now let me try to decrease the studio lighting effect, and let's see in the full brightness how you will be able to watch here. So this with the full brightness in both the smartphones. So these are the viewing angles. So let me try to change that view here. So this with the normal mode. So nothing is selected, and saturated and bright and bright and saturated. You can see the difference now, right now. So let me try to decrease the brightness to 50%. So 50% brightness is decreased. So let me try to decrease the brightness to 50. Yep, 50. Let me select the normal mode. So it is a normal mode selected. Let me decrease the brightness to 0% in both the smartphones. So in the 0%, you will be able to know which phone is doing best. I think both the phones are pretty good in terms of the zero brightness level. So all friends, is the quick comparison between both the displays of the POCO X3 and the OnePlus 8T device. So overall, in my opinion, both are doing pretty good job regarding the price range. But the OnePlus 8T has the advantage of having the AMOLED panel. So some people they do like, some people that doesn't like the AMOLED panel. But right now, after using the POCO X3 completely, I changed my point of view. So even though the POCO X3 is IPS LCD panel, so still the software optimization is pretty good. So the IPS LCD panel lovers, they can definitely buy the POCO X3 smartphone. So which makes completely next level optimization in this mobile phone by using this kind of special features. So where you can increase the colors and saturation as well. So which will be very tough competition to the AMOLED panels especially. So these are the viewing angles, friends. So even you can observe the slim bezels on the OnePlus 8T device. So because of that small form factor and very compact size as well. So you won't even feel that much of heavy as well, the OnePlus 8T after using for even for long time as well. You won't feel anything on the OnePlus 8T. So I'll try to do same kind of comparison with other smartphones like the Realme X2 Pro and the Redmi K20 Pro and other devices. So stay tuned friends, always by subscribing to my channel. Try to check the videos every day. Every day I'll try to upload so many videos regarding this both the smartphones. So OnePlus 8T and the POCO X2 device. So you should be able to know which phone to buy. And do comment below friends, what are the different things you want me to compare between both the phones. I'll try to do my best when comparing the devices, both the phones. And thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.